Right now, businesses are quietly replacing entire workflows with AI. Not in theory, not in the future, but right now. And what's interesting is they're not hiring engineers that are paid hundreds of thousands of years to do it. They're hiring people who understand how to apply AI to their business. That's the shift. It's not about building AI. It's about implementing it. Because a business owner doesn't care about prompts, models, or any fancy tools. They care just about a couple of small things. Can you help me save time, make me more money, or make my business run more efficiently? And if you can, they'll pay for it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like, how people are already making thousands of dollars a month from it, and how you can position yourself to get paid from this shift. Let's start with what's really going on. A lot of people just think AI is a tool, but it's not. It's replacing workflows. And workflows are basically a series of tasks that used to be completed by a person. For example, answering calls, following up with leads, booking appointments, setting reminders, updating CRMs. These used to require full-time staff, but now you can automate most of it. And businesses are starting to realize that, but here's the important part. They don't know how to implement it. They don't have time to learn the tools. They don't know what's possible, and they definitely don't know where to start. So what do they actually do in this situation? Well, they look for someone like you or I that can come into them and say, look, I understand your business. I can see where we can automate things and use AI to make it more efficient. That's the opportunity. And let me make this very real. Imagine a clinic that misses 20 calls per week. Let's say each call is worth $100. That's $2,000 per week in lost revenue. And that's $8,000 per month, just gone because they missed some calls. Now, if you walk in and you can say something like this, I can install an AI system that answers every call, books appointments, and follows up automatically. That's not just tech anymore. That is money. That's cash for them. So if you charge $3,000 to set that up and then a monthly fee of $1,000, it's a no-brainer for them. They're still making more money. This is how people are closing deals right now. Not by just selling AI, but by selling outcomes. And the same applies to real estate teams, med spas, agencies, service businesses. The list is endless. Anywhere that's inefficient, there's money to be made. Now, here's where most people get stuck. They think they need to be technical. Now, coming from someone who's definitely not very technical, you don't need to be. You don't need to code. You don't need to build complex systems. What you really need is three things. Number one, being a basic understanding of AI tools. Number two, the ability to identify business problems. And number three, the ability to communicate a solution to them. That's it, because the tools already exist. Voice AI tools, automation tools, CRM integrations. You're not inventing anything. You're just assembling solutions. Think of it like this. You're not the engineer, but you are the person that connects the problem to the solution. And businesses, they pay for that. And this is where most people get it wrong. They say something like, I build AI solutions. Instead, your offer needs to be a bit more nailed down, a bit more unique. For example, you could say, I help you capture missed revenue from calls. I help you respond to leads instantly. I help you reduce admin time by 50%. Now it clicks. Now it's actually valuable. Now it's something that they can understand. And when they understand it, they're willing to pay. They don't need to know the nitty-gritty of how everything plugs together. That's your job. And right now we're in a very specific window. AI is powerful enough to solve real problems, but most businesses are still far behind, and that gap is where the opportunity is for us. Because once everyone understands this, it becomes a lot harder. And I really do, being honest, see a 2 to 3 year window where we can make a lot of money doing this. There's going to be more competition, lower margins, higher expectations, but right now, you don't need to be the best. You just need to be early enough to help people get started. If you want to actually build a business around this, check the link in the description. I'll have a call with you for free and we'll see if you're a good fit and this opportunity works for you. We'll go through how to build an offer, how to build a system, how to get clients, and how to price it. If you've been watching all these AI videos but not making money yet, this is the shift that you need to understand. Make sure you subscribe to see more videos because I'm going to give it all away. And like this one if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.